Hey guys, this video is all about variables. Variables are nothing but a container which can store data, and we can also retrieve data from this container by using the variable name. Variables can store a huge array of data in them, including integers, decimals, floats, strings, list, and dict in them. While creating a variable, there are certain things which must be followed. Variable names must be always starting with an alphabet, or you can use underscore. It must not start with a number or special characters such as asterisk, at, or hyphen. Well, let's get into it ideally and try to create a variable a and assign it to a value 10 and try to print it out. As you can see, it prints out 10. Now let us assign the same variable a with another value 20 and try to print it out. See, it prints out 20. In Python, generally, a variable just stores the latest data which is stored into int. That means that a equal to 20 will overwrite the previous value of a, which is 10. Let's create another variable and call it as name and assign it a string and print it out. Similar to this, you can also assign a list, a dictionary, and a tuple to a variable. In Python, you can also assign multiple variables at the same time. Let us take three variables a, b, c and assign it values 10, 20, 30 respectively and try to print it off. As you can see, Python assigns 10 to variable a, 20 to variable b, and 30 to variable c. Let me end this off with a brief example where I have assigned different variables with different kinds of data such as integers, floats, strings, list, and dict. This must give you a fairly good amount of knowledge in variables and how to use them. Thank you.